my god, look what I found. Let's see what it says on the bottom. I'll show you. Hi guys, this is Michael with Thrifting Twins. Today we're at the Restore for Habitat for Humanity Restore. Hopefully you can find something for resale. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscription button. And let's get in there and see what we can find. Alright, I think they have a sale today, 25% off. Hope there's something new. Alright, so all the Christmas decorations are 75% off. So I'm gonna get this. I've been waiting for it to go on sale. It looks like it would have been a music box and they just took it out, but it's still good as a regular figurine. Little carolers and the cute little doggies. And then I found this angel. It's only $2. It's made of resin. Journey of Grace. And these sell for over $20. So I'm gonna get that too. I think I gotta get a cart. Let's take a look at this vase. It looks like it's hand painted, almost like watercolor. I don't see any signatures, but it looks like higher quality. It's very thin glass, so I gotta be careful. I like that though. All the different colors, the yellow and pink and green. Purple. Alright, in the mug section, I think I spotted Otagiri mugs. Look how cute that is with the bears. Huh. I'm guessing this is probably made late 70s and 80s. How much are they? Oh, they're only 20 cents. 20 cents each. I'll get those. I could probably sell them for like 15, 20. Michael.
I think I'm gonna get these
Otagiri mugs.
Ooh, I know I saw those I ran over same exact time you did.
Look how cute the bears are. Oh, what did he find?
I found these drinking glasses. They're kind of tall. It has the wheat, hand-painted wheat design on it. Mid-century, I think.
Yeah, they definitely look mid-century. I wonder if they're
four of them.
I wonder if they're Homer Laughlin.
I don't know.
Yeah, they're only $1.50 each, and they feel like good quality. Get those.
Yes, they do.
All right, so I did find these salt and pepper shakers with the tray. This is Falstaff Pistolet. This could sell for, I'm gonna say 40. I did look this up, about $40, $50, but I didn't see them with the tray. So I'm definitely getting that for $3. I gotta find Michael. He's got the cart. All right, I'm also gonna get the rooster plates. It's Falstaff also, Pistolet. I believe I could get like 25 for those. It does have some crazing on it, but overall good condition. There's Michael.
Here I am.
All right, let's look through the tins. Got a baseball player.
Bears.
Whoops.
It's cute.
Oh, that one is cute. Oh, jeez. Look at this one.
Ooh, that looks English.
Oh, it is. For Avon. I don't know, I don't have to look that up, even though it's $1. At least we found one. Alright, I'm gonna put this back. It only sells, people have it listed between $3 to $15, and a ton of people have it listed. So it's not a good buy. Alright, Michael
Found some Ivy Corral plates. Dinner plates. All of them for $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How much do they sell for, do you know?
No, not 100%. It was like a year ago when I sold the whole set.
Okay, so
I don't remember.
as long as we know it sells.
What's that?
Let's see if there's any good teapots. That one is General Electric. Oh, that one has some age to it. Even look at this old-fashioned can opener. Holy, it's heavy. Oh, that's really heavy for a can opener. Rival. I feel like Rival also makes dishes. I wonder how much that goes for. Stays up there. All right, I think we have to head out. We're gonna head over to Goodwill. They're closing early tonight. So we got the Angel, the mid-century wheat glasses, the vase, the Otigiri mugs, the Faltzgraf, the Corel, and also Faltzgraf. All right, let's go check out. All right, well, the Goodwill didn't have anything that we could buy and make a profit on. So today is the next day. We are at Salvation Army. It's a little late. We have like 45 minutes to shop. So let's get in there and see what we can find for resale. All right, there's my lucky snowman. Christmas is 75% off. Let's look at this glass piece. I like that. Looks like applied glass. Ooh. Is there any damage? Is that a crack? Yeah. I have to leave it. Darn it. It's pretty. My God, look what I found. Let's see what it says on the bottom. I'll show you. Delta Sky Miles, Tiffany & Co. For $2. I don't see any damage. Oh yeah. I actually don't know how much it sells for. I'm definitely getting that. My God, let's see if there's any more. That's to Fairy Light. Block. That doesn't have too much high resale value. Anything down here? I'm gonna look through all the clear. Nothing. All right. All right, let's see if they have any Christmas left since it's 75% off. You can sell Christmas all year round. It doesn't just have to be around Christmas time. I don't see anything new. Elements. Put my Tiffany & Co. down. Cute little bunny. Actually, this is a good time to be picking up Valentine's Day and Easter. Nothing in here. Oh, it's cute. I have a lot of cords. All right. Now, what about all these golf balls? I don't know. I never sold them before. $6.99 for the box. I don't know. I'd have to research it a little more. Let me look it up. All right, well, I don't get any cell phone service in here, so I'm gonna see if they could just sell me these separately. Oh, they're usually good in prices. Ooh, that's fancy. Little lady walking down the street, maybe. Hat and scarf. Ooh, definitely 80s. All right, well, I know anime sells pretty well. I have no idea how much these would sell for, but I'm gonna get a price on it. Let's check out this jacket. This is definitely vintage. Etta, made in Japan. I think it's vintage. That's something I would have to look up before I spend $7.99 on. All right, well, I tried looking up on my phone. I couldn't find anything, so I'm gonna take a chance on it. Might as well. I feel like someone would buy that. It's a nice color, red. Maybe I'll wear it. All right. All right, well, they're about to close, so I think we have to check out. Just seeing if there's any linen. Not seeing any. That's a bright pink. Holy. All right, we figured we would add a haul video at the end of this footage. We're going to show you some stuff that we recently gotten and what we already had listed. Right? Let's get to it. Hey, first up we have this. I've had it listed for a while. It's Earthworks. It's really neat, really unique. I like it how it has the cracks right there. Looks like a dinosaur egg.
But
right?
This would look really cool with like greenery coming up, and it looks like it's opening.
Oh yeah, that would be nice.
If it does sell soon, I might keep it.
Let's see the bottom.
Comes with the tag.
And it's signed.
1992.
Do you know the artist?
No.
Okay.
And it's listed for $65.
All right.
Which isn't bad for that. Handmade.
Let's see what I found. All right, we also found these two Rinconada, I think I'm saying that right, Rinconada figurines. We have a lion and a llama. The lion is a little bit different because it has the color. If it has more color and detail on it, the more it's worth. We paid $5 each for those. Expect about $24 for that. About 15 to 20 for that. And then we also got these two lions.
I know, these are really neat.
I like these. It's a soapstone. What does it say on the bottom?
I think it came from like a store that sold these.
African collections, yeah. But they have a mid-century modern style. That's why we purchased those. Those were $5 each. We'll probably list these for 40, 45.
Yeah.
We'll list them together. Those two belong together. Maybe that's a male and female.
Oh, maybe.
I just noticed that. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, so after doing some research, I figured out the signature on the bottom. It is Wedgwood. It has a M2839. It's a pickle dish. And I figured out these three letters on top, the GHH. The last letter is the year it was made. So I believe it said 1879 to 1904 or 5. So it's an antique, which I could tell just by turning it over.
That's in really good condition for antique.
Yeah, no chips.
Barely any crazing on it a little bit.
It's very hard to read the signature in the back. But you can see the W, then the OO. Yeah.
We never found antique Wedgwood before.
No.
Hey, so I've had these listed for a little while. They're perfume bottles. One of them's a atomizer. They are TP Co. Lead Crystal, West Germany, hand cut, and it has gold gild on it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I have them listed for $134.
That's worth it. How much did he pay for it?
I think I spent like $70.
So we'll probably just get our money back for those.
Yeah, maybe. But I thought they were really cool.
Yeah. All right, let's see what's next. All right, next I found this cool... Oh, there must be an echo in here. Get out of here. I found this cool alabaster cat. It's signed Bolton on the bottom. It's a felt bottom also, or base. We found this at a estate sale. A tiny, tiny bit of damage up here, but not bad.
I never noticed.
How much did we pay for this? I believe $5.
I think it was. We have it listed for $85.
Yeah, we had that listed for a while,
Or best offer.
about a year. But I thought the kitty cat was cool. Next.
Okay, and next up we got these tuna fish and a whale. I don't know if that's an ashtray.
Yeah, it looks like an ashtray.
Mm.
But look how cool this fish is. It's hand painted, but it has the pink.
Yeah, the pink there.
The pink fin, the blue, and the bugged out eyes.
Is it signed?
No, it's not signed.
Oh, but it's nice clay.
And then we have the whale ashtray. We're probably going to sell these two together. Oh, it has a little person. I didn't even notice that. We paid $5 each for these. I'm not sure how much we're going to list them for. There's more people.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Okay, let's go to the Balik.
All right, we have this Balik Village votive. It says Burns.
It comes with a tag.
We paid,
I think 15.
yeah, 15 for this. It's signed on the bottom, 1995 with a stamp.
We have that listed for 38.
Bailey Beggs Village, that's what it was. So we'll probably at least get our money back for that, but we had that listed also for a while, about a year. So if someone sends an offer for that, I'm gonna accept. All right, next.
And these are my little kitties. They're so cute. I've had these listed for a while. There's no name on the bottom. I don't know who makes them, but they're ceramic and they're really cute.
And you can put these on top of your piano. Put on top of the piano or a mantle. Put them wherever you want.
I have those listed for $17.
Yeah, these are cute. I like the green eyes.
Just noticed, is there a little rough edge on the tail? Oh, just
Yeah,
a tiny
little
little bit.
That's a flea bite. If anybody's wondering, that's what a flea bite is.
Flea bite or the paint.
Yeah. All right, next is really cool. Let's pull that out.
Yep.
All right, we thought this was really, really cool.
No.
We bought it at an auction.
It's from the 1960s. In working condition, if I could figure out how to turn it on.
It's so
Bingo
cute.
drum.
Okay.
So bad for the parent that's gonna have.
Yep, and that folds down. It came with the original box. Let's see the box. Teddy, the rhythmical drummer. I'm surprised the box is in really, really good condition.
I know usually some kid would destroy it.
Yeah, we bought that out at a live auction.
I forget how much I got it for. About 15 or 25.
I feel like it was 15. We bought this over the summer. And how much do we have it listed for?
I have it for 58.
Yep, that's a good price.
I kind of lowered it a little bit. I don't know why nobody's buying it.
I know. All right. I think that is it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once we're done moving, we're going to be making more videos. We're just really, really busy right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.